How to do Baddha Konasana. Let's understand the meaning of Baddha Konasana. Baddha is a bound, Kona is your angle, Asana is your pose or posture. What are the benefits of this pose? A very effective pose for your flexibility of your groins, knees and your ankles. Who should avoid doing this pose? The people, those who have injury in their knees and groins should avoid doing this pose. So let's start. So we'll take a blanket. When you're taking a blanket, it's very important to check it should have a good thickness. It is not a thin blanket. What is the reason why we are sitting on the blanket is it's more easy for me to lift my trunk, to press my groins towards the ground, my knees towards the ground when I'm sitting on a blanket. I have some height under my buttocks. Now, you'll be taking the legs in Dandasana. You are moving the right foot towards the outer side and then you are pulling the leg towards you. Same goes with the other. Move it out and pull it towards you. Make sure you are trying to bring the flesh and the flesh of your thigh, hamstring, coming closer and closer. Same goes for the right side. Most important, the soles of the foot needs to be open. They are not like this. The aim is to open it. When you are trying to open it, then only you can stretch your groins and your inner thighs. So you are trying to open it in a maximum way where you start feeling the groins. Taking your cup-shaped fingers behind your buttocks, move the flesh out so that you are sitting evenly on your sitting bones. Press the knee down. Become more taller in the trunk and the spine. Hold the foot. Start giving an internal push towards the downside into Baddha Konasana. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yoga tutorials.